Okay, checking on the next couple capacitors here. Got the round one. Gone some rounds with that, did some videos on that. I think the controls are in the bottom portion, if I remember right. I always kind of forget which way it is because I only have the one unit like that. This one looks like it would stay closed, so I've got to keep the wire through here. Make my stubborn wheel behave. Run into those things. Okay. So, pull these apart and we'll take a look at what our capacitors are looking like. Beautiful Palm Springs day. It's maybe the last of the few cool days left. It's supposed to be like 67. Feels maybe 74 right now. Catching it while I can here. Alright. There's our capacitor. Whoa. It's a 45 and a separate 5. They're going to discharge. It looks pretty tired. It's a Supco. And then here's the 5. So we'll take off one lead here. Take this one right here. 5, and then the start wire right here. Capacitor. Looks pretty tired. Let's check our wheels here. Ooh. Easy on my meter. It's been a good meter. I've had this one maybe 4 years now. Okay. Here's for the 45. 27.22 is bad, so that's a good thing we're up here. And for the 5, 4.92. So 5 is good. 45 is bad. Any surprise there? I'm not surprised. Let's check the hard start kit. One lead to this side, one lead to common. Should be between 45 and 50. The bad hard start kit. Going into volts on the capacitor. It's all around a good thing. So the red is the center one. I'm going to recheck this now that I got it off. I think that got a bad one there. Bad hard start kit. Yeah. Tap it a little. Yeah, still bad. Alright, so, good thing what we're doing. Hopefully I have a 45. So now that's out of 5 units, 3 have had bad stuff going on. So, that's crazy. Really glad to be doing what we're doing. Okay, here's a 45. We don't need it to be the
We don't need it to be a dual capacitor.
And hopefully I have a hard start kit. There we go. Here's the calming. For the fan, we can put the fan lead back on. Okay, nice. Easy enough. Yeah. There we go. Heater is back on. And now we just need some hard start kit. Seeing a hard start yet. I climbed up here without a hard start yet. Maybe I don't have any. No hard start yet. Okay, this one. It will work without it, you know, especially now that the capacitor is correct. It's got the correct capacitor on there, but I like the hard start kits because, in my opinion, it takes the strain off of the unit each time that it starts. So I'm going to try to find one. I have to go back to my shop, but I might just come back to that. It's not critical. Let me move on to checking the next unit. And try to do that. Yeah, no hard stuff. That's not that. Can't believe it. Maybe that I have none, and that I'm completely out of them. Explain why. I kind of share my coworker share bags, use it when we need it. So we try to talk about like everybody again today is what we try to do. So next. Nice Palm Springs day. It's got a nice little breeze going. That's great. Very nice. Little shade here. It's good too. Alright, we've got a newer Titan Pro, and disconnect the start wire. It's back there. Be good to configure this so the start wire is in the front to make that easier in the future, but there it is. Microfarad test. Let's see what we got. Here's the 5. 4.9, that's good. And I think this one's a 35. 34.23, that's good. Okay. Let's see, you know, it's plus or minus 5%. 5% of each 5 is 0.25, so 1.25 difference for 35 would be okay.
It's actually a 1.75 difference would be okay.
There.
So there's 7 5s to make 35. So 7 times 0.25, 1.75 difference is okay. Plus or minus 5%.
There we go. I guess I could check the hard start kit. I did have one bad one, so on the last unit, so it doesn't hurt to check them. Between 45 and 50 is good.
On these Supco hard start kits.
49.6, that's good. All right. There we go. And hook our fan back up. There we go. That unit's good. One less unit to give us any trouble. In theory. You never know still, but it does head off the majority of that. We'll check the fan. That's fixed. This one's okay. This one's had some extra screws added. Looks like those are holding up. I showed you my rivet deal. I've been adding rivets instead recently to secure these when they failed. Okay, we're good there. All right, just need a new hard start kit on that one. And it's on to the next two. Alright, yay! Went and got my hard start kits. So we get these units going. And things done. Keep things going good. I'm getting kind of low on them, but I'll order some more. Biggie. Got a lot of roofs left to go through. I think this is the fourth one. My coworker went through one, and I went through two. No, this is my second one, and he went through two. So we're going to have a much better year, I believe, this year because of that. Oh yeah, this will be good. Put that on that side. There we go. Now plug things in. Make sure both these units work good. Wire going through it. There's probably good reason. Okay, but it's on there. Okay, let's test this one here. Yeah. It's a cold. Now can we add the cover back on? Gonna make for a good year. I like to test them. I like to make sure. Sometimes you get a loose fuse box or something like that. I hate to get a call just because of something I could have prevented. There we go. Mine's cold. Tricky one. Sometimes how you can get these in. Alright, now our unit's got a hard circuit, and more units are not going to give us any grief down the road.